Are you seeing the msvcr120-clr0400.dll error during execution? Your system packages might be corrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore your runtime stability. Access the official msvcr120-clr diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the msvcr120-clr, the Visual C 2013 runtime for CLR. It manages the unmanaged bridge between the .NET Common Language Runtime, CLR, and the C++ standard library. It facilitates the orchestration of mixed-mode applications by providing the necessary execution engine manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling Visual C Runtime version 12.0 will typically resolve this error. From Microsoft's website, download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C redistributables and install them. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the msvcr120-clr component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of msvcr120-clr DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing msvcr120-clr. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for msvcr120-clr or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.